Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. It's so good to see you today. And in honor of the pink flowers in my garden, I am wearing my pink hat from the dollar store. Yes, I am. Yes, this beginning of this week, the third week in August, a lot of my pink flowers in the garden are blooming. And so I am wearing my hat to celebrate pink and the shades of pink. And I have a really special surprise for you. The hibiscus that I have been waiting for forever has decided to bloom. So my hibiscus has finally decided to bloom, and it bloomed on Sunday. Sunday is when it bloomed. It bloomed on Sunday. Oh wow, more of the blooms have come forth. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it's looking really nice. See that? Ooh. Angel trumpet blowing in the breeze. Along with my other showstopper, hibiscus. Oh, lovely hibiscus. Isn't that nice? And was looking really good. I got like one or two blossoms, and then the next day it was looking so soggy and droopy, and I really didn't have any fresh blooms out. But this morning I had such an array of beauty come forth with the blooms from the hibiscus that it just brought so much joy and so much excitement into the garden. My hibiscus has bloomed, and it bloomed a couple of times, but with the wet weather the blooms didn't last very long. But this time I believe that look how pretty it is, that I will have quite a few, and I'll have a nice display to show you, because it's not going to be raining for a little bit. But it's very pretty. So I have on my pink hat for the queen of the garden, the hibiscus, that I've been looking forward to for the last couple of weeks. And I know now that I'm fully into August, and that we're about to go into September and into fall with the beauty of the hibiscus flowers. The hibiscus that I've been waiting for has finally bloomed and is also giving out such beautiful blossoms. Look at that eye. Isn't that wonderful? This is so beautiful. And look, there are plenty of flowers. See what that looks like? And there are plenty of buds. So that means that I'm going to get a lot. When it fades, that's what it looks like. So it still gives a little color, even when it's fading out. This means that we're in August. This plant introduces the ending, the fading of summer. We're in August. Now, I bought this plant about 6 years ago, and I planted it. I remember when I saw it, it was half the size, and the woman said that it would grow, but you had to really take care of it, put it in a precious spot so that it would not die back. Make sure you protect it. And so I found this spot close to the house. And each year it has not disappointed me, but each year it has brought forth such beautiful blooms, and I've been very satisfied with it. And I actually look forward to seeing it every single year. Now I know that there are some updates to it. I saw the shorter version of it at Lowe's. I should have bought it, of course, but I didn't. But there's something about this beautiful specimen, and I'm very thankful that I have it in my garden. Wow. Look at that show. Definitely a showstopper. And then there are other things that are in bloom. I don't know if you can see right there. The impatiens have been doing very well. Showing up really nice in the garden, as well as my tuberous begonias that I have. Just looking so fresh, so alive. It's almost like if it got some fresh new blooms. So we're going to take a look at that as well. And then curly pink, my pink rose. It's looking so good. So as I said, we're going to celebrate pink in the garden today. Yes, and enjoy ourselves as we look at the last real hurrah of August. Yeah, it's winding down, but this is the hurrah, the high point, I should say. We're going to look at the high point of August with the beautiful pink blossoms and blooms of August. And we're going to celebrate with my pink hat. This beautiful morning, more of the angel tree blossoms have come forth. They're blooming, looking just as beautiful and as spectacular as ever. And then back there, I don't know if you see back there, that's my hydrangea row. And I was able to go out yesterday and get some work done on the hydrangeas. It's just looking so beautiful. I have plants or hydrangeas from different parts of the garden that I was able to transplant over to this area. And I know it's going to fill out, and then with the cuttings that I've put together, the propagated cuttings of hydrangeas, I'm going to then fill out that area so that it's like one massive row of hydrangeas and different colors coming in and out for the season. It's going to look beautiful. I did some work back here with the hydrangeas yesterday. I cleaned up this area. I'm so glad to see that the sun impatiens have decided to come back. But also here, I cleaned up this area, and as you could see, I am so happy that the hydrangeas that I planted last year are looking very healthy. They were cuttings, and I propagated these specific plants and planted them out and put them here. But then also, this is one also. This one really bloomed well this year. Now these three plants, 1, 2, 3. Those 3 plants I planted together about a couple of years back now. And these two are like the one in the front there. And look at that beautiful bloom. And then they change up to this in the fall. So now here on this row yesterday I added some more hydrangeas. I planted this one. This was propagated last year. And I planted it over in a different section, and now I've planted it here. This was given to me by my mom. This is from the church, and it was in the corner of the house, but it wasn't growing very well. And then this is geranium that I just put. This is also another hydrangea, but this is not like those other ones. This is more purple hue, and I don't know if it's going to come back. It's not recurring like the others, but it's beautiful. And this one is a lace cap that I just moved from a different section. This one should be a recurring bloom. I got this one from QVC, and it hasn't flowered yet. This is like the, I think, 2nd or 3rd year in the garden, but I just transplanted it from a different area and put it there, and hopefully it will grow. And then the other one is this one here. Now this one I had planted a while back, but it had died back, and I'm not sure if it's going to come in, but I hope it will. So this was my work, my plantings. Yesterday was so beautiful. It was in the high 60s, low 70s, with a little wind, a lot of moisture, and no mosquitoes back here. So I was able to get a lot of work done and clean up the area. And I just planted, as I said, these geraniums here. So it should be looking really, really pretty with the in and amongst the hostas. That's my elegance. So this whole area, I'm filling it up with hydrangeas. I'm hoping to tackle this side and put a few on this side here. We shall see. And I'm excited about next year. Yes, I am planning next year's garden. Now's the time to think about the future, to think about how we're going to expand and grow, foreseeing and moving into the future. Yes, the future is bright if we plan for it. So see you around in the garden. This is how it looks in this bed. with the curly pink, which has not stopped blooming, and it actually goes very well with the I keep saying hydrangea, yeah, with the hydrangea, but also with this hibiscus. Beautiful. And the purple perella, very nice, and the hostas. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And how is your garden blooming? Is it pink? What's your favorite colors of the garden? And let me know. Let's share. And let me know about your garden. How are things going there? And I'll come and visit. I'll come and visit you and spend some time with you as you share your garden. Like and subscribe and hit that notification button for more videos. Thank you.